How to fix ChatGPT unable to upload file problem. So first thing you need to do is you have to go ahead on the available browser. Next thing you need to find is the three horizontal lines right here on the right corner of the screen. So you have to click on this one and then find the history. So you just have to click the history button. And then once you're here, you just have to click this delete browsing data. So after that, you just have to click this time range right here and choose the all time. And after that, you just have to click the check boxes right here and then delete data. So in this case, I'm just showing you, but um, you just have to do these steps so for you to fix your chat GPT. After that, you have to go on the official website of ChatGPT. So it says chatgpt.com or OpenAI, but in this case, it says that it's chatgpt.com. So we just wait for a few seconds. So once you're here, you just have to click this button right here beside the link where you type the website. And then you just have to click this cookie site and data. Then inside this, you just have to click this option, manage on device site data. And then you just have to delete this info by clicking this button right here. So delete save data for ChatGPT. And then once you're done, click this button. After that, just have to go ahead in the site settings. And then once you're here on this page, you just have to click this button right here that says delete data. And there your problem might be solved. Now, to check on that, you just have to relaunch or restart the ChatGPT website. So you just have to go ahead and go on the website again. So that's how to fix ChatGPT unable to upload file problem. If you have any questions, leave us a comment down below. We'll see you again on the next one. Thank you.